Hey guys, did you miss me? Chantsy here. Thanks for joining me today. I have not forgotten about you. I have been on holidays and just taking it easy, but finally I have some time to prepare a video, so I'm so glad that you can join me. On today's video, I'm going to talk about a new core/ab workout that I've been doing. It's a full body workout and it needs no equipment. You don't have to do it at the gym, although I did record the segments at the gym. I do them with my personal trainer and they're super fun and challenging. You can also tailor it to your capabilities and then just keep pushing harder as you get better and better at it. So I have two little workouts that I'm doing. It's like a little 15-minute workout. I'm focusing right now on my core and you'll see it in my videos. I am struggling to get up there. I hope you guys like this. It is a very vulnerable video for me. You can see all my chubbies. Thanks for watching and I hope you enjoy this. I just hope that it inspires you to get out there and to get fit. I do see a personal trainer, so everything that I'm doing is adjusted to me. So of course, if you have back pain or any kind of abdominal issues, you know, do your own due diligence and get the right experts to help you. But I just wanted to share part of my workout journey with you guys. So I hope this helps. Enjoy, and we'll see you later. So what did you guys think? Is it something that you would do? Some of the moves are pretty tough. I have to say, by the end of it, as you saw, it was getting harder and harder for me to keep going or to like come back up and all that kind of stuff, but it was a full body workout, I assure you. Again, what's really interesting with all these moves is that it's that fluidity and moving from one position to the next without sort of having those choppy moments. So the more fluid you can be while doing those movements, I feel like that's what's gonna get you stronger and tighter. You wanna be tighter, that's my goal anyways. So anyways, let me know, is this something that you guys can do? Do you have the space at home? Does it seem feasible? And what are your favorite workouts? Something that I should be trying? Please leave your comments down below and make sure to subscribe, like the video, and of course, share it with your friends. I am growing my channel and I appreciate every single thing that happens to this video because YouTube is making it really, really hard to grow and to get anywhere. I'm not blaming them. I just really need to count on my people who are watching these videos. And also thank you to Tina from Health Style Consulting. She has been the best. I have seen her for the last 3 years and she has gotten me to the fittest that I've ever been. I'm not skinny, but I'm super fit and strong. So thank you so much. And Tina, namaste, you are the best. Thanks guys for watching. Bye.